Hey everybody, my name is Jonathan Clay, the Assistant Director of Graduate Admissions at the Kogod School of Business at American University. We're located in Washington, D.C. We are a top 50 business school in the Bloomberg rankings. We do specialize in many different areas. Of course, American University is the leadership in sustainability, offering sustainability management as one of the 7 specialized master's programs. We also do offer the full-time MBA program, a 2-year program. As I mentioned, being a top 50 business school, we do specialize in many different areas. A lot of our students will be going to entrepreneurship, consulting, finance, financial services, IT, and then of course we do specialize within career placement. We're very big on working with big name employers. As I mentioned, working with the consulting, we do work with a lot of companies such as the Big Four. We have a very diverse class within our programs. We have students from all over the world, where we have programs ranging from 30 to 40 to 50% of international students making up the program. So we're very excited to be able to talk a little bit more about the program with you. Please feel free to reach out via email, visit our website. We'll be happy to connect. We look at your mark sheets, we look at your test scores, we look at any work experience. Work experience is not compulsory for the MS in Analytics, but it could assist seeing if you have a background within quantitative data. Quantitative programs, we're looking at, if they can course in accounting,